Clearly communicate your expectations to your team, and ensure that everyone is working towards the same objectives. Regularly communicate with your team, and be open and transparent in your communication. Create a positive and supportive work environment that encourages collaboration and innovation. Practice what you preach and set a positive example for your team to follow. Invest in your team's development and encourage them to continuously learn and grow. Trust your team and delegate tasks appropriately, while still maintaining oversight and providing support. Your team the autonomy and authority they need to make decisions and take ownership of their work. Encourage your team to work together and collaborate to achieve common goals. Be open to new ideas and approaches, and be willing to adapt to changing circumstances. Manage your time effectively and prioritize tasks to ensure that you and your team are working efficiently.